Canaan, a place full of love, is a promised land by God. It is just because of love that Canaanites gathered here and handed on hope as well as goodness. Canaanites believe that love is mutual, so they made a better life for their employees and created value for their users and wealth for the society. The uniqueness of Canaan, which provides its clients with solid dosage granulated lye equipment and complete solution, is currently one of the few suppliers in China that can provide such 3 granulated lye equipment as weld granulation, fluid bed granulation, dry granulation, and complete solution. Canaan always gives priority to creating values for its customers. Its research and development of products keep up with its users and provide its users with expert consultant services. The company's Technical Research and Development Center boasts over 100 senior technical staff, provincial level research and development centers, and a postdoctoral research workstation, and has drafted 6 industry standards independently, being the first to pass ISO 9001 International Quality System Authentication, CE certification, manufacturer license of special equipment. It has undertaken 16 provincial level projects and has been awarded 3 Zhejiang Province Science and Technology Awards issued by the People's Government of Zhejiang Province. It also boasts over 60 national patents, among which over 10 are patents of invention. Focusing on customers' experience, the company has set up a pharmaceutical simulation laboratory, which provides pharmaceutical factories with such on-site experiments as wet granulation, fluid bed granulation, dry granulation, meal and mixing, tableting, capsule filling, film coating, IBC washing station. Canaan also founded a practical granulation technology case database, which has provided over 1,000 enterprises with more intelligent and humanized technical solutions for Chinese and Western medicine granulating. In terms of after-sales service, Canaan has a round-the-clock after-sales service telephone and service mechanism that ensures Canaan's after-sales service engineers can reach a spot within 36 hours, provides its clients with highly efficient professional service, and solve all sorts of problems. Canaan has set up a complete customer feedback mechanism, offered on-site trainings regularly for equipment operators to increase customers' competitiveness continuously. Canaan has set up the perfect quality system, which ensures all the processes from raw materials, mechanical processing, assembling, testing, inspecting to finished products conform to the FAT standard. The company also introduced internationally advanced equipments such as CNC machining center, Germany master laser cutting, robot welding, endoscopy, stress release. It offers quality training for its staff regularly. Organized activities such as QCC skill competition in an effort to improve the quality of every employee's consciousness as well as their skills. Therefore, each product is ensured to be a piece of fireworks beyond the customer's expectations. Canaan, with its excellent quality and first-class technical solutions, has drawn the attention of global pharmaceutical enterprises, among which large enterprises such as Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer, Novartis, Bayer, Roche-Grove, Merck, Sanofi, GlaxoSmithKline, Sinopharm Group are all users of Canaan equipments. Moreover, Canaan has provided hundreds of international pharmaceutical enterprises with excellent equipments as well as good service and has received favorable comments from all of them. Among Sanofi's top 10 production bases, 8 of them has built cooperation with Canaan. Among 141 domestic listed companies in pharmaceutical industry, 66 of them are Canaan's customers with a proportion of 47%. The products are widely used by over 1,000 non-domestic pharmaceutical enterprises and exported to over 60 countries. It has also built cooperation relationship with its customers such as Amway, Marubi, Thompson Price Health, Unilever, Riverly, Presido, and has successfully expanded into foods and healthcare products industry. Canaan has passed on love to more people while creating values for its customers. Based on pharmaceutical equipment, today's Canaan is taking a firm step towards health industry such as foods, healthcare products, and cosmetics. Tomorrow's Canaan will meet new glory and challenges with its more open-mindedness and firmer belief